Hello children, I hope you all are doing very good. Let us begin to next question number 11 from worksheet 1. Okay, that is from linear equation with one variable or linear equations in one variable. So question number 11 is 2 upon 5z is equal to 3 upon 8z plus 7 by 20. So you know that this number and these numbers are your coefficients with variables. So what we supposed to do, we supposed to take them together, right? So let's take them together. So this 3 by 8z will be moving on to this side of, you can say, the left hand side. So it will be minus, right? It will be minus. So 2 upon 5z minus 3 by 8z is equal to 7 upon 20. Okay, now if you will see here, let us do the cross multiplication. So even I can write this, we can take z near to the 2, so I can write it this way, so it will be more clear, and we can do the cross multiplication on the left hand side. Alright, the cross multiplication, now guess and tell me how we are going to do the cross multiplication, because so far we have done 10 sums. So you all are familiar with the cross multiplication, right? So it will be 2z multiplied by 8 minus 3z multiplied by 5 upon 5 multiplied by 8. Children, am I correct? Yes? Okay, alright. So 2z multiplied by 8 will become 16z minus 5 into 3, 15z upon 5 into 8. 5 into 8, 5 8s are 40 is equal to 7 upon 20. Okay, let us give the sign which I usually forget, therefore sign, right? So 16z minus 15z, that will be 1z upon 40 is equal to 7 upon 20. Now see, basically we are interested to find the value of z, so I'll be taking 40 on that side. Okay, so let's draw the line here and then we'll be beginning next. So 1z upon 40 is equal to 7 by 20. So even I can write z is equal to 7 upon 20 multiplied by 40. So see, the 40 which was there in the denominator onto the left hand side had come here in a multiplication, right? So 0 0 got cancelled, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and therefore the value of z is equal to 7 into 2, 14. So what we obtained for question number 11, the value for z is 14. Now let us check in, right? So this is the value of z, so check in. I'll be doing it with the another pen because I like colors. What about you? Please don't do it with a color pen, right? You will be using any ball pens to write your notes, right? So in check-in, now let us go and solve first the left hand side, because we need to solve both the sides. See, you can see here it is 2 by 5z, and onto this side it is 3 by 8z plus 7 by 20. So we need to solve both the sides, right? Right? So let us first solve the first side, that is 2 upon 5 left hand side z. So it is nothing but 2 upon 5 multiplied by, let us put a value of z, that is 14. So we'll be doing a straight direct multiplication. 14 2s are 28 upon 5, and we can mention it as equation 1. Let us start with the right hand side. Let us, if we are getting 28 by 5 on the right hand side also, then we can say our answer is correct. So 3 by 8z, I'm writing this right hand side, kids, okay, upon 7 by 20. So now 3 upon 8 multiplied by z, what is the value of z? 14 plus 7 upon 20. So whenever we get like this fractions together, let us see, the numbers are divisible, like 8 and 14, 3 by 8 and multiplied, sorry, 3 by 8 is in a multiplication with 14. So 8 and 14 can we divide and make it little smaller? Yes. How? Even though you are not dividing, you're directly multiplying, this is okay, fine, okay, but I'm showing you if we can make it more simpler. So 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, right? So what we get? We get 7 multiplied by 3, that is 21 upon 4 plus 7 upon 20. Okay, now here also even we can take LCM and we can solve it, but if you're fair enough, I mean you're good with the multiplication, cross multiplication, you can do so. Can you see I have done the cross multiplication? Now you have become masters in cross multiplication. What one thing you need to remember, children? I'm sorry, it was not visible. Now let's see. This is the, okay, yeah, sorry, my sum was blur. No, now it's like visible to you, right? See the cross multiplication here. 20 into 21 into 20 plus 7 into 4 upon 4 into 20. So many of times what happens is we tries to cancel this 20 and 20. Please don't do that. Okay, we need to multiply first and then we'll be adding the terms. Okay, so now let us go here on the next side and let's start, continue with the sum. Okay, so what we have got, 21 multiplied by 2 is 21 2s are 42, and then the 0 plus 7 multiplied by 4, 7 4s are 28 upon 4 2s are 8 and 80. Even here also don't cancel 0 and 0. First of all we need to add 420 plus 28 and then we'll be dividing that. Okay, so 8 plus 0 8, 2 plus 2 4, and this 4, so 448 upon 80. Let us divide it by 2. If you will divide it by 2, what answer you will get? 2 4s are 8, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 2 4 upon 4 0. Can I divide further? Yes. How? Again you can divide it by 2, not a problem. Okay, 2 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. See, I'm telling you into the simplest way. You can directly, start dividing it by 4, or this is any even number you can actually try out. Even 8 you can try out. Okay, this is like for very simpler, for basic sum. I'm just telling you that we can also, both are the even numbers at the end, so we can divide it by 2. Okay, so here again if we divide it by 2, it becomes 10. This become 2 5s are 10 and 2 6s are. So we also now reach to this final number 56 by 10. Again we can divide this by 2, right? 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 6. So see, we got 28 upon 5. By after the simplest division also we have received 20 by 8, 28 by 5, sorry. So you can see here equation 1 and equation 2, right? So what we can write at the last, from equation 1 and 2, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Have we finished with the sum, kids? No. What else we need to write? We need to write at the last that therefore z is equal to, okay, don't forget we have removed the value of z, so we are actually writing this as a solution. Okay, so therefore z is equal to 14 is the solution of the given equation. Okay, solution of the given equation. So here we will complete the answer. All right kids, maybe in between my video was not clear. I'll just check it with later. Just see, kids, remember this check-in part, what we are doing left hand side and right hand side is the just to check whether our answer is correct. If these two sides are correct, that means this answer what we obtained, z is equal to 14, is true, correct. All right, we have solved it nicely, correctly. Okay, thank you so much. Let us stop here. We'll go to the next question in the next video.